Quiz 1. Quiz 1 opens today after this lesson, and you have time till Saturday night to do it. There are 2 attempts. It will record highest attempt. Quiz 1 entirely based on slides, these 2 sets of slides. At the previous lesson, I recorded this explanation, but it is based on slides, not what I said. I tried to explain it as extra information in hopes it is useful, and I will post it hopefully tonight. Yes, tonight. I plan to post this tonight. This code, not code, explanation of it. I also, at the previous lesson, discussed assignment 2, and I posted the description today. And at the previous lesson, I said that this assignment logic is very close to this example. But it's definitely not copy-pastable at all because it has 3 pages, it has extra logic in second page, and also it needs to display stuff as a list in the end. So it's not copy-paste, logic is not the same, but GUI-wise, it is a kind of similar idea. So strong recommendation is if you kind of didn't go through this code, definitely do it, especially if you don't know how to start. Okay. So this example has two variants. One is not using navigation framework, one is using navigation framework. And definitely you shouldn't mix 2 at the same time because it won't work. Okay. My recommendation is to use navigation framework because in the next lesson I will ask you to explicitly use it. But if for some reason you cannot, you just couldn't figure out, I use the simplest option, use flag, which is flag in the state, it is what to show. Many things can go wrong because it is the first program in Android. It's not directly straightforward, but kind of second assignment, so second assignment in Kotlin. Give yourself plenty of time. Start as early as you can. It is guaranteed that you cannot do it in one evening. So start early. I'm not sure I can do it in one evening. Maybe, probably I will, but just. It is intended to be kind of creative, so it requires thinking, requires looking up stuff, requires learning from given code. If something necessary to look up, it is from tutorials from Google or explanations from Google, because this does not come from nowhere. Everything is based on examples from Google. So today I plan in week 5, 2 more examples from Google are just general idea of navigation. It is revisited the same idea. It is about navigation, both of them about navigation. Both of them are quite long, really long. So there's no chance I will be able to explain every line. It's, again, basic ideas behind it. You're absolutely welcome to dive in and look it up. All of it is based on example from Google, like this course, Android Basics with Compose. It is linked to resources file. I posted PDF in the beginning of this course, like week 1. And today, the examples from Google, they directly coming from here. Cupcake example, and this practice, and this is lunchbox example, something like this. Both of them are long. But again, it's a demonstration of how to switch pages using navigation framework. Also, Cupcake example is open in another app, so that we didn't look into this, so we have to at least look at this. It is open in another app, which is also part of navigation, kind of navigation, but not Compose navigation. It's another step in navigation. Okay. So all of it, I didn't add anything outside of this course so far, except discussions except adding examples, definitely. I added examples. So theoretically, it's all about here. Right, so let's go back. Definitely, these slides from week 4. Wait, what is this? Oh, sorry, it's wrong place. It's here. Definitely, these slides, it is from another book, but not from this course. It is overview of Android system. But again, it's for bigger picture. And this is coming from course and coming from guide. Okay. So this is this example, it is the closest to assignment. Also, we need to discuss how to debug it, because when program doesn't work, we need to find the way why it doesn't work. So far, we just look at how it works, but we didn't look into options how to catch why it doesn't work. Okay. So it's another thing for today. Since I posted assignment, we need to look into how to catch issues. And so before I go into other examples, or maybe we'll go to one example and try to do this demo, how to see what is going on.